Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Karur location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are many vacancies available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's discuss each and every job vacancy from Kotak Mahindra Bank. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for service delivery officer position for branch banking. So for this job requirement will be developing and maintaining banking relationships with a group of high net worth customers. Excellent communication skills with customer service orientation is required and courteous and polite. The candidate should be having good knowledge of Microsoft Excel and understanding of banking norms and processes. So these are the qualification details. Next, coming to job responsibilities and roles, handling personalized service requests of customers and generation of timely business MIS and ensuring strict adherence to compliance, audit and regulatory requirements for customer segment, coordination with the CPCR, RPCR investment desks for account opening of customers, managing complaints of customers and ensuring their resolution within that. So these are the responsibilities for this job vacancy, and you please go through with the information provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next one for assistant acquisition manager position. So for this position, job requirement will be freshers are graduate with appropriate 1 year of experience is required in liability sales preferred, and hardcore sales mentality, primary motivation from achievement of targets and a hunter by orientation, and should be well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information, and also they have mentioned here the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are provided. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for branch manager for RA rural branches, RL branch head. So for this job vacancy, job requirements will be overall 6 years of banking experience is required, out of which 3 to 4 years of experience is required in retail liabilities, and must have had sales experience on exposure, and they are preferring liabilities products. Qualification will be the candidate should have done MBA or CA or CAIB to apply for this position, and good leadership skills are needed for this position. Next, coming to job responsibilities, enhancement of deposit pool from customers, establishing standards on delivery of service, sale of non-deposit products, cross-selling targets progressively, sale of MF and insurance products, fee income and branch administration, regulatory compliance, manage productivity and overall morale of branch team members, and at last overall responsible for break even and P and L of branch. So these are the job responsibilities. You please go through with the information provided here, and for further details you can visit in the website link provided here. There is a job opening for sales officer for Karur location. So salary will be between 18,000 to 22,000 rupees per month. It is from Quest Corp Limited. So they are hiring for loan officer for personal loan and business loan and mutual funds. So they are immediately hiring for this position. Freshers are eligible to apply for this position, and as well as 3 years of experienced candidates are eligible. Any degree and diploma candidates are applicable for this position. So preferred language will be Tamil, and age limit should be between 18 to 35 years. So it is for only male candidates. Working days will be 6 days per week. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link mentioned here. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.